y'all ever had that part where you gotta woosah, get some stuff off your chest? Why not do something for you, know what I mean? Cause that's what we do. Talk about the woosah. 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 Hey, everybody, let's talk about it. I'm on the woosah today. Some people looking over here today. The we woosah every way. Some people moon to walk right now, just moonwalk every time. Cause I wanna get my piece today. That's why I drop my rhyme. Then woosah up into my head. So yes, that's what I do. Some people's over here just get to mad. You need to woosah on too. Saying now you doing this and that, so you wanna have some fun. Saying everybody keep it real to just get that woosah on. Saying hey, saying talk about the woosah. Saying talk about the woosah. Talking about the woosah. Saying I'm talking about the woosah. Saying I'm talking about the woosah. Talking about the woosah. Talking about the woosah. Talking about the woosah. When you woosah, need to close your eyes and think about a peaceful place. Some people over here just keep it real. They're over there in a peaceful place. When I looking up, just thinking good. So yes, as I understand. Just woosah to everybody now. The oh yes, you are my fan. Just woosah when I eat my food. Just woosah when I dance. Just woosah when I have my fun. I'm having fun to dance. I woosah when I'm doing it. I'm doing it with a beat. Just woosah every time today when I'm here just to move my feet. Say when I woosah everyone, do you want to woosah now? Some people's over here just woosah, everybody get on down. Say when we getting up and down and you woosah for that peace. Other people looking over here to send a woosah on the dig. Talking about woosah. Talking about woosah. Talking about the woosah. Having with the woosah. Woosah. We talking about the woosah. Having fun with woosah. Getting with the woosah. Talking about the woosah. Woosah. I woosah when I punch you up. I punch you with my hands. Some people's over here today. Do you know I am the man? I woosah when I'm talking about it with my music in my ear. Just woosah every time today. Some people drinking beer. Just woosah for your back today. Cause you wanna be happy. Other people's over here today. Some people just to hang with me. Just woosah when you rock the clothes. Now you is kinda fly. Not no kind of fly, you super fly. We can see you in the sky. We talk about woosah. Talk about the woosah. Hit it with the woosah. Yes, with the woosah. Goddamn woosah. I'm talking about the woosah. Know about the woosah. Say it with the woosah. Let's go. Saying now that I got that woosah. The woosah when I'm doing my thing. So I could be in that peace today, and you know just what I bring. I bring that energy today. I also bring that peace. Some people's over here today. Some people bringing all that meat. Some bring that energy today. They bring it with that vibe. That vibe over there just in the bush. Some people trying to hide. Some people talking about you now cause they like just what you do. Cause you just woosah on the one and they wanna woosah with you. Talk about woosah. Talk about woosah. Talk about woosah. I'm talking about woosah. I'm talking about woosah. I'm talking about the woosah. I'm talking about the woosah. Talking about the woosah. Said now that we almost done today, just woosah for your peace. Everybody, let me tell you this, woosah up in any streets. If you just going through the bed, just woosah in your mind. So you can have that a peaceful time over there like every time. Talk about woosah. Woosah. Woosah.